that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap being flex.
Good morning, I hope you're doing well. I am preparing to go to class, and then after that I'm going to iPad to study at the library.
So deep, sex so deep, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the group of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibe.
It's now currently 4 o'clock and I am going to jog to gym with Nwai and then get there, work on my summer body because it's literally hot girl summer. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. It is actually now spring, so it's before summer. So I'm working on my body so that when summer arrives, honey, I'll be looking hot. I'll be looking like a hot babe. So yeah, come with me and let's go.
Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
They say time here.
This fool Anthony right here, he said, listen,
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of bricks.
Hey there, PhemCakes. So right now, honestly speaking, I feel like I need an iPad more than ever. Like, I cannot emphasize this, but like, I just feel like I really need one for my notes, my productivity, studying, every single thing. It's just so convenient. So right now, I'm just going to the iStore, check out a few products that they have, and then voila, your girl has an iPad just like that. That's on period. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to choose like a neutral color, like white, gray, something like that. Not dark, something like that. Like,
Wanna see what you do. Say that she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no cool fancy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you must be. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Pretty face, pretty tender, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me, and they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know. And I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck. And I know they with they nigga, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't.
I wish that we can change places. Don't want no cool fancy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life without me, cause you must be.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing. This mansion is happening. All that playable games, every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So you tryna live this life, I'ma leave the door.
honey, we are going on a study date. I know your girls are glammed up. You gotta be glammed up for your books. I mean, like, ciao. Make me sweat, make me water. Noi hates this song, guys. Like, I'm singing the song to annoy her, literally. So we are going on a study date, and we have our study material, honey. So we are at Sea Point, just by the beach. But yeah, the girls are looking cute. Noi, come say hi. Hi. So yes, honey.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure you good?
I'm good.
I got the haze, and if you're hungry, girl, I got fillets. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. Oh, I'm praying.
Yes, to a new beginning.
Yes. To a new year. Mm-hmm. Say hi to the home.
The pregnancy. It's a long for me. Because your uterus, you still have the uterus and the baby inside, but the baby sometimes it's like so
Yeah.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mine and be in line to be nice. Can you open up the doors to let me in? Can you open up the doors to let me in? You good with the heart inside, on top my head. I'm dancing the love inside.
Come up with a kind of killer. This young love you getting me.
Look, what a coincidence. What a coincidence. What are you doing? Why are you seducing my subscribers? No, guys. Hi, Bo.
No homo, none of that exists, yeah.
This young love you getting me from my bedroom. I want like with my light.
My beautiful PhemCakes, if you haven't met Lucia, aka Oluger, me, that's on period. Guys, I'm sitting in the back seat. As a vlogger, I should be in the front seat taking content for you. So please talk to my friends to put me in the front seat because, like, what is this, honey? Make me sweat water.
This your color, no different. My banana, go chop my banana. Show me power, and me low mala, it's my like.
if you're still in high school, this is a sign for you to come study in Cape Town, honey. Because, like, look at what you're missing. Look at this, honey. This is what you're missing. So this is all for my high school kids. Apply to UCT, apply to any varsity in Cape Town, honey. Because, like, you don't want to miss this. Look at that behind me. You don't want to miss this, honey. Like, you don't want to miss this. Trust me, PhemCake. Trust me.
Trust me, PhemCake. Trust me, Pam. Trust me, PhemCake.
Exactly. You had it from Nwai, so you gotta trust her. Had it some again.
This young love getting me from my bedroom. I want like with my light.
It's the same thingy of Crocs, you know. This is the aesthetic in my group. Hey, Susalam Kukuako. My beautiful PhemCakes, this is for you.
Which one